So far, it's been a dry morning around Baltimore, but we can see a few snow showers now coming into Hagerstown. Some of these flurries could make their way all the way towards Baltimore. At some point today, we may even get a more organized snow shower. There's a lot of energy right now coming in behind a cold front in Pennsylvania, and some of that could drag some of these down our way. Not expecting them to be widespread, but if you see a brief period of snow, that'll be why. We've also had some rain across the lower eastern shore. This is just almost out of Ocean City. Within the next 2 hours, they should be drying out as well. Now, once we get through that, it'll be the wind that's the big story later today. That's going to be howling into the afternoon and evening. Northwest 20 to 25 miles per hour, but some gusts could push up to about 50 miles per hour. It's not always that we do see winds that strong, so maybe take some extra precautions before you leave the house. If you have some furniture left outside, wouldn't hurt to take it inside. Temperatures reach the low to mid 30s then into the afternoon. We have a couple more areas of instability to track in this upcoming week. A lot of moisture in the southwest, more energy slamming into Canada. That combines together to produce a storm that could produce some snow in our area Sunday into Monday. And this has been the one we've been talking about. The data has been wavering back and forth, putting us right on that rain-snow line. So amounts are still really tricky to pinpoint. I mean, if we get some mixing with rain, that severely cuts down on snow potentials. If we turn colder, we start to trend back towards more snow. So I think there's still a lot of uncertainty on what we're going to get. Regardless, I think a wintry impact could be possible Sunday into Monday. 7-day forecast. 33 today, only in the 20s tomorrow. In fact, Saturday morning, teens for the overnight lows. With those winds, it'll feel like the single digits. And again, the possibility of rain and snow Sunday into Monday. I would watch out for some road impacts into Monday morning. Then it's just cold and mostly dry middle of next week.